Welcome to art class. Let's get started. All right, guys, pull up a chair. For today's art class, you are going to need a sketchbook and something to write with, preferably a pencil. I want you to pause the screen right now and gather your materials. I'll see you in a minute. Hey guys, welcome back. I asked you to get your sketchbook and your pencils. Now here I'm using Prismacolor Premier Turquoise drawing pencils. It's a set of 12. I love it because there's 12 different values. You can see that on the back. So this actually helps with when creating. So you can get different tones, different sets of intensities within your application. But for my sketchbook, for what I'm doing right now, I'm going to use the lightest pencil, which is an H pencil. And if you don't have any drawing pencils, that's okay. Use a regular pencil. That would be an HB. Just try not to apply too much pressure. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to create our concept. So take a couple of moments and think about what it is that you want to create. What do you want it to be about? What are your ideas? And I want you to write this in about 2 to 3 sentences. So go ahead and capture that right now. All right, so once you capture your concept, I want you to create a 1" by 1" thumbnail. Now this should represent your drawing area. So let's say I'm going to use an 8 by 10 sized artwork, then I'm going to create maybe a rectangle and write in 8 inches by 10 inches on the side. This is part of our planning process. So this is actually gonna help you when you're creating. So go ahead and take a moment and capture your ideas. Now again, it doesn't have to be perfect. It could be a gestural drawing. As long as it represents what your plans are for your artwork, just to get those ideas on paper. That's the important part. Alrighty, so once you've completed your thumbnail, you completed your concept, writing that down, now what we're gonna do is we're going to create our detailed sketch. So go ahead and create a bigger box. I would say maybe about 4 inches by 6 inches. That'll work. And let's go ahead and create that on our sketchbook. And now we're going to take our time and we're really going to give it our all, and we're going to draw out what it is that we're going to create on our final piece, what we are going to call our artwork. So we're working out all the kinks. That's why we are planning at this moment, just to work every single thing out. So any mishaps, any mistakes that we would make on our artwork, this is actually going to prevent. Okay guys, so we finished our concept, we finished our thumbnail, and we finished our detailed sketch. So that's our planning page. We're done. We're ready to get started on working on our final project. It was great drawing with you guys. So until next time, I'll see you soon.